Hello everyone, TheSenpaiCode here. So I'm going to be showcasing this autosave feature for the Unity game engine that I've created, as well as where to download it and how to install it. So first, this autosave feature is basically in your preferences here. It's a package that you will install, and it gives you this autosave scene before building button. You can uncheck it if you don't want it, and then you can check it if you want it. So basically, that's what it does. Whenever I build a scene, so let's just say I make some changes here. Let me create a 3D object, and I'm just going to create a train. So the train is created. If I go ahead and I hit play, it's going to save it. So now it is saved. And if I hit stop, now if the power went out and my computer dies and my package shuts off, it is saved. I don't need to worry about it. Let me go ahead and just start this back up here to show that it has saved the changes. I didn't go over, I didn't save it, nothing like that. So it should have that train now. So it has that train. It auto saved it for me. So here we are on GitHub, and we have the package right here, as well as the README. This is the README right down here. It just says this resource is provided free of charge. Please do not sell it or claim it as your own. You are free to use it in your project as you please. I'm not charging for this. So, because people were just asking for it on the Unity discussion forums, and I figured, let's just create this. So basically what we want to do is just come up to the code here, and we can download the zip file here. And it is only 8.5 KBs. So let's go ahead and just close that. Let's go to our downloads, and I'm just going to drag and drop this zip file right here. I'm just going to click on this, and it has the package all right here. And all we actually need is this right here. I don't actually need the README that I've included. It's just something I've included for people to know that, it is free. Just don't try to claim it or sell it as your own. And I can actually delete that right there, that zip file. So we could put this in our package in our project, or we can just search our disk if we know where it is with our project. So let me go ahead and start a new project. So I'm just going to create a new project here. I'm just going to create a new 3D project, and I'm just going to call it test for everyone here. I'm just going to hit create project, and it's going to create it. I can actually close that down. All right, and here we are in the Unity game engine. This is our test sample scene that we just created. And what I want to do is install this like any other package. If we know where it is on our disk, we can just grab the package. So I can come up to Window, I can come down to Package Management, I can come over to Package Manager, and then I can come up here to where the plus is. I'm going to click on this arrow, and I'm going to install package from disk. And because I was testing in the autosave game project here, I have this saved here, but the one that we want is the one that we just downloaded, just to show you all. So I'm going to come over to desktop because that's where I put it. So just remember where you put the package. If you have a folder for your packages and you put it in there, grab it from there. If it's still in your download folder, grab it from the download folder. So I'm just going to come over to com.thesenpaicode.autosave here. I'm just going to click in here, and here is the package.json. This is what we want. So I'm just going to click on that, and I'm just going to hit open, and boom, it is loaded right there. So I'm just going to let it just grab everything, and boom. And so now we have it. So once we have it, it should start with the auto save on. At least that's what I have it programmed as, coded as, I should say. So if you come over to preferences, you can actually check here. So here's the auto save scene before building right here, and it is checked on. And so that's what it's adding in your general preferences. If you don't want it on, you can turn it off. All right, so let's go ahead and test this to make sure that it is working. So what I want to do is just create another train. So I'm going to come down to 3D object, and I'm just going to create a train. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit play. And then that should have saved it right there. And now I'm just going to stop it, and I'm just going to close this down. So boom, power went out. Oh no, I'm going to lose it. Or did I? And here we are, it's loaded back up, and the train is there, so it has auto-saved. So yeah, that's all there is to this feature. That's how you install it. And there is a notification, and I was planning on doing some other stuff with this. So for instance, because my computer is so fast, the pop-up isn't actually showing, and because there is actually the loading assets, as you probably seen. So I might be able to trigger it if I actually get rid of this right here. So let me delete this. Now, when I hit play and when I stop, there should be a pop-up. You might be able to see a little bit of it. So if I hit stop, boom, project autosaved. So there is an actual pop-up that lets you know that it is autosaved, but just because of the loading scene and everything, I could delay it, but I don't want to do that. It will show up sometimes. You might see it, sometimes you may not. Depends on how fast your computer is and everything and how long it takes your assets to load and all that, but there is something there. And I was planning on adding maybe a timer to it as well, so it would save whatever seconds or minutes that you put for it to autosave. So if you want to autosave every 30 minutes, 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, I was going to add something like that, as well as a notification down in the console that would say like last autosaved at, and it would tell what time it was last autosaved at, or next autosave in 5 minutes, something like that. I was going to put all of that, but I figured, let's just keep it simple. Let's just keep it nice, easy. It's what, 8.5 KBs for this package. So, I just decided, let's just keep it simple. It works. It's good enough. It's in your preference there. You can turn it on, you can turn it off, and you have the autosave whenever you hit the play button and stop it. And so, yeah, that is the autosave feature. I hope you all enjoy. Feel free to share it, like, comment on the video so other people can find this video and get this package as well. And until next time, have a good one.